in every scar. I wear my battles like haute couture art. My footsteps echo in the flame. Crowned in chaos, I still came. The mirror shows who I've become. Not who I was, but what I've won. They tried to shatter me, now I shatter the mold. Silk draped, but my spirit's pure gold. A legend forged in fire and fate. You can't eclipse the stars that I create. I'm a divine legacy, cloaked in light and destiny. Fighting in heels, fierce and free, turning the fight into a runway scene. Every move a masterpiece, power in every piece of me. From shadows to infinity I rise, a divine light legacy. Velvet fury, crystal will, a riddle they'll never unseal. I walk the line in stardust boots, speak my truth in designer suits. A champagne voice with a thundered heart. The gods above knew I'd play this part. My name's etched in celestial ink, fashioned from the edge, I never blink. They tried to curse me, now I wear the crown. Taught me to soar when they tried to drown. A legend born in fractured light. I conquer the day, I own the night. I'm a divine legacy, cloaked in light and destiny. Fighting in heels, fierce and free, turning the fight into a runway scene. Every move a masterpiece, power in every piece of me. From shadows to infinity I rise, a divine light legacy. Wings of fire, heart of lace. Battlefields transform into my stage. History will etch